Good day everyone, I am Trisha Jade Balansag from Bsba 2E and I am here to discuss the topic Leveraging Organizational Identity for Competitive Advantage. Organizations in the current business environment face level of changes and degrees of global competition, as well as threats from existing and potential competitors. Due to continuous rapid change in the global landscape, it is important for the organization to consider intangible and their less mobile aspects to leverage sustainable competitive advantage. When we say organizational identity, it refers to who an organization is and which is reflected in identity claims about what is central, distinctive, and enduring manifestation of firm's identity over time. Organizational identity plays an important role in the firm's survival and performance. A compelling identity can help attract participation, support, and loyalty from its employees and stakeholders, which will increase the organization's access to resources. Sustainable competitive advantage occurs as a condition where a firm is implementing a value creating strategy not simultaneously being implemented by any current or potential competitors and not being able to duplicate the benefits of those strategies. The basic issues of organizational identity can be expressed through the following questions. First, how do communications between members of an organization develop a sense of who we are? Second, how is organizational identity maintained and transmitted to new members? Third, how is this identity conveyed to persons who have at least in a formal sense outside the organization? In order to prevent or overcome those basic issues, there are three elements for a strong corporate identity. First, the value proposition offered to customers. Second, the capability system that allows corporate to create that value. Third, the set of products and services that leverage those capabilities and delivers against the value proposition. Despite of those given elements for a strong corporate identity, why there's still many companies struggle to develop a strong identities? It is because most organizations pursue disconnected growth avenues and organization changes in the market. They tend to serve many different customer segments, leading to disconnected product groups, capabilities, and strategies that is impossible to define what company is all about. The 5R model of organizational identity processes and VRIO model of Barney help organizations uncover, analyze, and optimize their identity as a source for creating sustainable competitive advantage. The 5R model of organizational identity processes help organizations to avoid death during difficulties and decline. Retiring. Organizational attributes that do not support the organization's success should be released from organizational identity and sense of who it is. In reclaiming, organizational traits that were forgotten are recalled and restated in a changed manner. In reaffirming, organizational traits that remained on leaders' and members' consciousness are reasserted and moved forward in a changed manner. Regenerating talks about the restoration and recreation of forgotten organizational traits. In reimagining, the central organizational traits are carried in a new form and new strategic areas for future improvements. The VRIO model of Barney provides a process map to evaluate each resource that has possibility for competitive advantage, which is consist of the following questions. Is the resource available? Valuable resources enable organizations to enhance the value for customers. Is the resource rare? Rare resources can be only acquired by few companies. Is the resource costly to imitate? It only became costly if the organization needs time, resource, and capital to produce substitute or same product. Last, is the firm organized to capture resource value? Once the organization is successfully organized in a way to exploit valuable resources, then they can enjoy long-term period of sustained competitive advantage. That's all. Thank you for watching.